Hello, happy and smart developers. Welcome to the Coding Board. This is session 11 of C programming language. Today we are going to learn installation of Turbo C++. Let's follow the steps. First, open any browser. Then type Turbo C++ for Windows. Then now it is showing several websites. Click on any website, or I have shared one link in description. You can use that. Now click on download button. You will get screen like this. After clicking on download Turbo C++ button, zip file will be downloaded. Now double click on zip file. Once you double click on zip file, WinZip file will open. Click on close, then double click on Turbo C 3.2. Now double click on setup.exe file. Click on next, 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 and finally you will get finish button. Now we will get shortcut icon on Turbo C++ on our desktop. Now double click on shortcut icon. After clicking double click on shortcut icon, now it opens blue color window which is called IDE. IDE nothing but integrated development environment, which facilitates developer to write program. IDE also called as editor or blue screen. This is that blue screen. To maximize or restore its size, we can click on Alt Enter button. Now this window is in its full size. Now to write program, I will click on File, then New. Here I will get this blue screen. This blue screen is editor, or we can say integrated development environment, where we can write our program. Let's write our first C program. This is my first C program in which I have written one message print statement, the coding board. To save this program, I will have to press function plus F2 button here. Now here I need to give name of the program. I will write TCP, the coding board. Name of the program is TCB, the coding board. Now I will press on OK to save. Now I need to compile this program. For that, function Alt F9. Here compilation is done. You can see there are no warnings and there are no errors. Now I will have to run this compiled code. For that I will press function control and F9. Now my code is saved, compiled and executed, but I am not getting output window, or I am not getting result on my screen. For that I will have to press function Alt F5. Here is the output. You can see that message is written the coding board. So this was all about installation of Turbo C++ and its environment. This black window is also called as console or run window or user screen. That's it in this session. Let's meet in another session. Thank you.